Once again, warm welcome on our channel. Today lesson is about moral story of young banker. Learn new words, idiom, phrases and new expression through this story. Let's start. Let's learn English through short stories, which is the most easiest way to learn English. Life is like a big journey where we meet all kinds of people at different time and under different circumstances. Sometimes we remember some of them while we forget about many other. I guess that forgetting about people who we don't see often is just a human nature, just like I forget about the young banker whom I met a long ago. But very recently I met this young banker again at a local shopping center. When I went there to buy some regular household stuff, interestingly, it was not me who recognized him first, but rather it was the young banker who called me with my name from behind. I looked back, but initially I had no clue as to who that person could really be, so I just kept staring at him until he came forward and introduced me as the young banker who I met about 8 years ago at a bank in another city. Slowly but surely, my memories started to come back to me when I reminded me how I forgot to pick up my bank checkbook and left the city. It was then that I clearly remembered how that young banker fellow at that time called me from his bank and informed me about my lost checkbook. Later on this kind of banker actually took all the pins to mail me my lost checkbook in a courier service. Anyway, after meeting him again at the shopping center after such a long time, I felt like he deserved a very special thanks from me again for his sincere efforts to send me back my checkbook. Anyway, after meeting the younger banker, I learned a very important lesson, which was that we should always remember the good deeds of the people, if not the people themselves. Did not care to remember the banker, but the banker cared to remember me, which proves that he is a genuinely nice, responsible, and caring person. And if we don't like to get to know a nice, responsible, and caring person, then who we will. Thanks for watching.